Hey guys, Coach KIRKSHINTA here. So excited to make this video. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to talk about 12 reasons why you want to join $25 One Up. $25 One Up has been amazing to me. It's helped me make over $24,000 from this bedroom that I'm in right now, from home, using an automated system. It has no monthly fees and it pays 100% commission. So I'm going to go into these top 12 reasons why you would want to leverage an automated system like this to be able to make money from home. So let's get right into it. So one of my favorite things that I love about this program is that you get to break even with your very first referral. As someone who is in business, you want to have something where you don't have to spend years or months before you can even break even in your business. And I can't tell you like how many times I see business models out there where years later, people are trying to recoup their investment because it's just so ridiculously expensive. And I like the ability to be able to have a home-based business and be able to start it for whatever package fits my budget, and then you can scale up with this business. So you can start a business for $125, $250, $500, and $1,000 and earn those commissions. Okay. So you're able to break even with your very first referral. Okay. That's pretty awesome. The next reason why I love this program and why I think everybody should join is instant pay. Okay. When I got introduced to the world of instant pay, I was like, there's no looking back. Okay. I love instant pay. What I love is that when I earn a commission within 24 to 40 hours, that hits my bank account. I don't have to sit there and wait a week for a company to cut me a check. You make that instantly, and I get to decide, how I want to use that money because it's in my bank account. You know what I mean? So I really like, instant pay. Number 3, the ability to recoup. I already kind of mentioned this, but the ability to recoup your investment quickly. What I mean by that is in a lot of online companies, especially when you get into like MLMs and things like that, you might have to make 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 referrals before you're even able to recoup back your investment into the company. With one referral, 1 or 2 referrals, you could be you could recoup your investment back. And that's why I just think it's just a smart business model. Okay. Number 4, you're in control of how you get paid. Okay. So with this system, there are several payment processors integrated into the system, like PayPal, Zelle, Bitcoin, and Stripe. But for people like me, who for years I've been using certain types of payment processors, I like the ability to control what payment processor I use and how that shows up in my account. So I'm in control of how I get paid. And really, as a business owner, you always want to be in control of how you get paid because that's why you're in business, right? So you could either, use the payment processor that come with the system, or use your own payment processors, and I get to integrate it into the system. So there's a little, in the payment details, there's a little button or little section, and you can put in whatever link you want to whatever payment processor that you want. I love that. I can't tell you how many systems that I've seen where you literally cannot customize how you get paid. Nuh-uh, not a fan. I love that in this system, I get to control how I get paid. Okay. That really lets you be an entrepreneur. Also, another thing is if you decide that you want to receive payments outside of the system, maybe you use Western Union or you do offline payments, you can accept payment that way as well. Okay. Now, this part of the of about $25 One Up, so we're on number 5, I believe. This makes me the most excited. Okay, this is a leveraged pay plan. Okay, with $25 One Up, what I like is that when I put the effort into my marketing, and someone comes onto my team, and I've already spent time, mentoring and coaching them in my Team Cash Blueprint group, right? And my team just adds people in there, things like that, right? I like that not only do I get an instant commission when they come into the program, but then when they go out and they make their first commission, they get to keep it, and the second one gets passed up, right? That's how this works. Like I get a bonus commission for helping plug my people into my Team Cash Blueprint team and for that mentoring, right? There's a lot of programs on the internet where you get one commission and you're done, right? I love that I'm rewarded with a bonus commission for helping my people. And I think that's pretty cool. Okay. So yeah. All right, let's move on. Number 6, 100% commissions. I've been an affiliate marketer for some time, and you know, there's always like, oh, 50%, 30%, 80%. I like that with $25 and up. I get it. I do the work. I get paid. I get paid 100% commissions. Okay. If someone comes in at the diamond level 250, I get paid $250. I don't got to split it with somebody else. I don't got to split it with an owner. $250 hits my account. $125 hits my account. $500, $1,000 hits my account, right? And I don't got to split it with nobody. Okay. So I think it's worth it to, you know, I get to do a few simple things and do them consistently. And then when I make a commission, I get 100%. Pretty powerful stuff, my friend. Okay. So that's it. Where are we? Number 7. Okay. What I like is that, earlier when I came online, I felt like I had to promote a million different programs, because what it was is, if you had a low ticket and then someone's like, you know, you really need a mid ticket and high ticket if you want to make great income online. But then you had other people who they didn't have the funds to come in, so you needed a low ticket opportunity too. What I love about $25 one up is I'm able to have several different types of pay structures within my business. So with $25 one up, there's a low ticket, so people can come in and get started from $25 to $125, and then you have mid ticket, so they can come in at $250 or $500, and then you have high ticket, $1K. So I'm able to receive so many different types of commissions. Of course, I'm at the elite level of $1K, right? And I love it there. But I'm able to have low ticket, mid ticket, and high ticket in one business structure, and not have to promote multiple, like crazy amounts of different opportunities to be able to do what I want to do within my business. So I think that that's pretty cool to be able to do that. What number are we on? 8. Okay, resources, tools, and training. I do like that in the system, and this is, important to me because, I am a coach. I am an online social media coach. That's what I do. To me, it's important that people, when they come into a system, that they have access to tools, resources, and training to help them be successful as a marketer online. And what I like is that the $25 one up system, if you go into your back office, you have at your disposal the resources, tools, and training to help you be successful online. For example, okay, the back office has training on, for example, leveraging platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, okay? Which once you learn how to use those, that's not only free traffic, it's free capital for you and for your brand, okay? Great material back there. I've learned a lot going back there. So I feel like, for people to be able to plug into the training on how to effectively market online, that's amazing. And then also to have access to the funnel, which are already put together to help you market your business. So for a beginner who doesn't know how to put together a funnel, you could go in your back office, literally select a funnel. And a funnel is just a capture page, which collects people's emails from your marketing efforts, a sales page that it presents the information, and an autoresponder that's tied to it that sends out automatic emails to people who went through your system to follow up. And it also has a broadcast feature so that you can also send a weekly email blast to anyone who came in your system to not only stay connected, but also to follow up and say, hey, if you're ready to get started, here I am, right? So I just like that it gives you the tools, the support, and the training that you need to be successful online. All right. Number 9, this isn't necessarily something that I would say that the system provides. I provide weekly training and support. So every Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, my team has they have 2 things at their disposal that helps them with their marketing. One, Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I do a weekly Q&A and also social media training. Okay. And that is the time where my team can come together. We laugh, we giggle with each other. We talk about what's working in our business, what needs to be tweaked, what's working on social media, what we're going to do, and game plan for the week. Okay. And we also learn new things about social media. Okay. And how to rock it effectively. Okay. Because you could be on social media playing games and listening to these gurus, got you thinking that engagement is all the end game, but engagement don't pay the bills. Yes, it helps, but it don't pay the bills. Okay. Right. If you're not making sales, well, engagement ain't going to help you with all that. So that's what we do on Thursday. And then on Wednesdays at 8 p.m. same time, the day before, I do a opportunity call. So for many people in my tribe, they're able to get their people on that call that are interested or that came through their system and say, hey, by the way, if you want to learn a little bit more, hop on that opportunity call, right? And I'm able to help them close their people because I've been doing this for a while. I know how to do this, right? So why not help? I help my people. Okay, that's how I help my people. And they're plugged into my team community, which is my Facebook group, and that's where I'm active. Okay, so that's number 9. Number 10, I like that the products are simple. Okay, so at each level, the 125, the 250, the 500, 1,000, you're going to get digital products that, again, are teaching you how to better market effectively, right? How to learn platforms and how to be better at marketing. Of course, when you go up into higher levels, you get even more training, which is great. Because remember, in this system, if I didn't say it already, you get access to not only the digital products that are at the level that you come in at, but also any level that's beneath that level. So it means that if you're at, some of the elite levels, which are 250, 500, 1,000, you're going to get access to a lot of training on how to be effective at social media. Okay. And just to be a better business person, because there's some courses back there, just on what you really need to know to master the affiliate marketing game. Okay. Another thing that I like about the products is that they're digital. So anywhere that you have a phone or computer, you can access them, and there's no lotion, potions, and pills, right? You don't have to have a closet full of stuff to be able to be a digital marketer and to be profitable. Okay. I think that that's important. And I think that I find that the courses are relevant. I'll be honest, I'm not going to say no names. I went into one product platform for a company that's highly promoted online. And I went back there and I was like, this is trash. Throw the bath, throw it away. I was so pissed off. I'm telling you. So I like that. For me, if I go into a system and I learn something, I'm happy. Okay. And then I do like that our owner quarterly updates the products. Almost quarterly, he goes and he updates the products. There's some systems that you come in and the owner never updates any of the digital products that are back there. Okay, so that makes me feel proud about that. Okay, almost done. All right, number 11, a low franchise fee, aka an admin fee. Okay, so again, we make 100% commissions on this program, and it is a franchise, right? It's a digital franchise, meaning that it's a system that we pay a small fee, known as an admin fee, to the system to be able to use the system. But then we never have to pay that again. So we get access to the brand, we get access to our system, we get access to all of these things, for a one-time admin fee. And the admin fees are pretty low. Pretty low. So, with a lot of if you started a brick and mortar business, you would have to pay a hefty franchise fee. We're talking about thousands of dollars to be able to start a franchise. And the thing is, on top of the franchise fee, sometimes they'll charge you a percentage of your earnings. Our company takes no percentage of our earnings and just charges a one-time flat admin fee. So you go ahead and you make a $500 month. You get to keep all $500 of your money. Okay. And nobody is touching your money. It's yours. Okay. If you had $1,000 month, it's yours. You had a $5,000 month, it's yours. 100%. Okay. And the admin fees are very low. So for the $25 and $100 package, it's a $10 admin fee. Okay. If you're at the Diamond 250, you position yourself to be able to make $250 commissions. It's a small admin fee of $35. If you were at the $500 level, which is the enterprise level, it's a small admin fee of $60. Okay. If you're at $1,000 level, it's a small admin fee of $110, right? To be able to be in profit, right? And to never have to pay that again. I just think it's pretty amazing. Okay. So yeah, when you get a chance, look up franchise fees of brick and mortar companies, even some of the top internet marketing companies. You're going to see, listen, we got it good over here. Okay. So that's it. I just gave you my top reasons why you should join $25 One Up, why I'm passionate about $25 One Up. And that's why I've gone on to make over $24,000 with the system, for the reasons that I provided in this video. So if you feel like you want to see a full presentation about what this work from home system is and how you can start making money online and really just learning internet marketing and how to make it work for you for a lifetime, right? Not just for a hustle, but to start a legitimate business and to truly understand how to leverage the power of the internet to be able to profit, then what I want you to do is click the link underneath this video, smash the subscribe button. If you're ready to get started, lock in your package, make a decision. Do you want to join? Everyone on my team starts platinum or higher. Okay. There is a gold level. You can certainly get started there. But for access to my team resources that I told you, all right, Wednesday and Thursday, we be in there getting it, right? If you want that, you want access to that platinum or higher, and you get access to get plugged into our community. All right. So that's it. Smash the subscribe button. Reach out if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.